So all the surfers are out of the water. Someone came and got them out of the water a while ago. Everyone got out of the water. The rain is pouring down. The trees still aren't blowing super hard, but they are blowing. And the hurricane is touching land about 100 miles north of us, between San Blas and Mazatlan. So there's the beach at Sayulita. Nobody's in the water. Maybe one person's down there on the beach, maybe. No, I don't think anyone's even, oh, one guy might be standing there. Two people. But nothing happening on the beach. No one in the water. So that's our little thing at 20 minutes before 6 Sayulita time.
Then we'll take a look again in 20 minutes.
We'll look again in a little while. But we still have, this is about as windy as it's gotten.